Hello everyone. Uh, Previously in our videos, we discussed about the splitting of data without using subtemplates, and by using subtemplates we have seen. Okay, by using subtemplates also we have split the data into multiple sheets. Okay, now what we will do is we will create an Excel template by using subtemplates, and we will do the styling, border and underlines for the cells. Okay, and this is a good example for subtemplates. Okay, let me open my BI, Oracle Fusion BI Analytics. This is the same data model which we have used in the previous video. We will use the same data model. Okay, this data model is consisting of employee details. Okay, like employee ID, first name, hire date, department, organization, salary, and email address. Let me click on export to get the sample. Okay, I have collected the sample. Now we will create one subtemplate. Okay, for the border, underline, and border colors. Then we will create our main template. Here the concept is we will get the XML, okay, in the normal XML, and inside that XML we are able to see only the employee details. Okay, but we are not able to see any border or underline or border colors like that of information. So we need to place that information by using subtemplate. Okay, let's start creating subtemplate so that you can understand it practically. Okay, this is the XML which we got. If you see here, we are having data DS, G1, and all other elements are related to the employee. Okay, now anywhere in this XML we are not able to see any like style definitions, like style information, like we call this as style, like border style, underline style, border color. All those things we are not able to see, so we have to include that information in this XML. Okay, how we will do that? We will use XSLT. That means XML, like we can say XML or extensible, both are same. Like XML means extensible markup language, or you can say extensible style sheets. XML like extensible markup language style sheet, XSLT, or extensible style sheet. T means transformation. Okay, anything is fine. We have to use XSLT language, and we have to restructure this XML, and we have to pass that restructured XML to the main template. Okay, now let me start generating the XSLT. Okay, I have opened the XSLT file which we used in the previous videos. Like we are using the same previous video uh, data model, so this is very helpful for us. Like let me repeat the concept. What we are doing is we are creating an XSLT subtemplate, and we are including it in our main template Excel template, and we are uploading both the templates into the BIP report, and we will getting the output. Okay, what we have done here is we have grouped our we have regrouped our groups by using XSLT with the column employee department, and inside that employee department we are showing employee ID, first name, hire date, and all those things. Okay, after this uh, after this group, what we have to do here is we have to enter the information, but like what I am doing here is I am taking one element called total salary. Let me write it here. Total salary. Okay, total salary. Uh, Here in the total salary element, I will define the attributes like underline, border, all those things I will define here. Okay, we are passing the like styling information to an element inside inside the tags as attributes. Okay, First I will give as border style. We have to give it like this, border style. Okay, border style is equals to border underscore double. So this will give the borders with double lines. Okay, there are multiple values to give here. I will show you those values. If you see here, border none, border thin, border medium, border dash, border dotted, border thick, border double. We are using this one currently. Okay, border hair, border medium, like this. These are the values for the border styles which we can use. Okay, and these are the locations, like you want bottom for the cell or top for the cell, left for the cell, right for the cell, diagonal for the cell. We will use this inside the template creation, main template creation. We will use this inside subtemplate creation. Okay, so we have created our border style. Now we will create underline style. Underline style, underline style equals to double quotes, underline double accounting. Okay, underline double accounting, underline style. Okay, for this also, for underline style also, we are having multiple values. Let me show those here. See, underline none, underline single, underline double, underline single accounting, underline double accounting. These are the values which we can use inside our BIP reports. Okay, now we will define border color, and this will be the value which we use in the main template. Okay, we will give the border color. Okay, uh, for the border color, what we will do is we will write as border, BORDER, border color, COLOR color is equals to, we need to pass the hexa code, like for defining colors in HTML or XML, like everywhere we can define in multiple ways. One, we can give the RGB code, otherwise we can give the color name, otherwise we can use the hexa code. Okay, now I am using the hexa code 0000FF. Let me put here like this. So this is how we are going to create the elements with the attributes as styles. Okay, now what I will do here is, I will, like we have created a tag, we have to pass the value to that tag, like then only the entire element will be completed. So what I will do here is, I will put XSL colon value of select, select is equals to double quotes back again slash and closing tag. Okay, now what I will select is, I will place sum of, what I am summing here, we are having salary amount here. Okay, I will sum this salary amount. What I will do, current slash salary amount. Okay, like this we can pass the values. Some current salary amount. Okay, now we have the value, and we are having the attributes. Now we can save it. Okay, let me save it with some name, but you have to maintain the extension as .xsl. Okay, I have saved it with borders and color subtemplate.xsl. Okay, once we saved it, what I will do here is, let me upload this, and let me show you the output of the restructured XML. Okay, I have created a report and attached the data model to it. Now let me click on add new layout, and let me give the name, and let me select the file. I have selected the template XSL file, and let me select XSL style sheet, and let me click on locale and click on language English and click on upload. Once we upload the template, we are able to see the output. Let me go to okay, no problem. Let me click on view save button once, and let me click on view report. Okay, once we click on view report, our data is showing like this. Let me click on this formats. Currently we are seeing HTML. Let me select text. When we click on text, we are able to see the restructured XML. Okay, in the restructured XML, we are able to see our total salary element. Okay, with the border styles. See, border style, underline style attribute, and border color attribute, and with the value. See, we got the value, total value also in the XML itself. That means we need not to give the same tag in the main template. But what we have done the same, used the same tag inside the like inside the main template in our previous videos. Okay, when I'm explaining you about some functions, XSLT functions which we can use in the Excel template, there I have showed it. Okay, I have used the same tag here in the XSL subtemplate file. Okay, and we have got the value. Now what we will do is we will create the main template. Okay, let me create the main template. Okay, I have created one sample, like just I have opened one Excel file and I have saved it in the 97 to 2003 file with name as styles main.xls. Okay, and what I will do is let me upload the sample file. Let me click on publisher. Let me upload the sample file which we have downloaded initially. Okay, okay, I have uploaded the sample file. Let me click on field. When I click on field, it will ask for metadata sheet will be created. Let me click on OK. Once the metadata sheet got created, we are able to see the uh, fields. Fields palette will be opened and we are able to see the fields palette. Let me create the header first, like employee ID, next, first name, next. We will take department. Sorry, spelling mistake. After department, we are taking salary amount. Next one is email address. Okay, let me place all the things. Let me style the header, blue color, white text, border. Okay, this is all fine. Let me place the text. I am selecting employee ID, first name, department, salary amount, email address. Okay, and let me close it. Okay, and what I will do here is let me group it. Let me select all the columns, go to publisher, click on repeating group, and you are able to see one properties palette. Inside that you are having loop for each G1. We are only having G1. Let me select it and click on OK. Our group got created. Now let me take for the total. Okay, for the total we need to give the tag, but if you see in our original XML, we are not having the total salary tag. So, but we can take it. Why we can take it? Let me open our restructured XML. In the restructured XML, we are having total salary element. Okay, we can take it. No problem. Why? Because we are passing our restructured XML to our main template by using XSL file, XSL subtemplate. Okay. Now let me open. Okay. Now what I will do is I will select this uh, column, like column, and let me put it as xdo shift underscore question mark total salary question mark enter. Okay, now the tag got created. Now let's come here, like see the hidden metadata sheet by unhiding it. Let's expand it here. So we are able to see our five columns which we have taken and one group tag. Now we have to add much more tags related to the style and all those things. But initially I will give the template name, like our subtemplate name here. Okay, let me go to our report. Let me click on edit report. Once I click on edit report, we are able to see the layouts, I mean templates. If you see here in the view list, you are able to see the template name and the file name. Let me copy the file name. Okay, and let me paste it in my Excel file. Okay, I am pasting it here. Hit on enter. Let me auto fit the cells. Yes, now what we have to do here is we have to mention the sheet names. Why? Because we are splitting the data here. Without splitting data also you can mention the styles, that's not a problem, but here we need to split the data. Why? Because our example includes the grouping also. So what I will do here is xdo underscore sheet underscore question mark, and our next tag is xdo underscore sheet underscore name underscore question mark. These are the two tags which we need. And if you come here, what we have to do, we have to put less than question mark, question mark greater than. In between these, what we have to do, we have to place one dot double slash department, our group name. Okay, department spelling is correct, right? Yes, spelling is correct. After that, what we have to do is we have to place less than question mark greater than. For the sheet name, our sheet name contains in this department tag, and we have to mention it as what is our attribute name, entity. We have to name our attribute. If it is an attribute, right? So you have to place at the rate in front of our attribute name. Okay, enter. So we have given the sheet group name and sheet name. What we have to do is we have to define the styles. How we can define the styles? For the styles we have tags xdo underscore style underscore. You can give any name, like I am giving one. You can put as two, like three, or like that. Anything is fine. Underscore question mark. You have to mention the tag name, total salary. Like for which tag you are, you need to want to place the uh, the style definition. If you see here, I have taken xdu underscore total underscore salary question mark. So that's why I have mentioned xdu underscore style underscore one underscore total salary. Okay, let me copy this minimum to 5-6 times. Okay, let me change the name. It's 1 2, it's 3. Next one will be the 4. Okay, next one will be 5. Okay, next one will be 6. I have copied it for 6 times. Okay, in our first thing, what we will do is we will give the value as border style. Okay, XSL colon value of select is equals to double quotes slash closing tag. Okay, in the starting tag, what I will do is, like in the select, what I will do is I will take slash total underscore salary slash, we can put single slash, that's fine, at the rate border style, style style. Okay, I have taken total salary slash at the rate border style. Why? Because in our this is normal XML. Let me show it here. Let me go to view report. Huh. I have opened my restructured XML. Inside this, we are taking this total salary element. Inside this element, we are having few attributes. These are the attributes: border style, underline style. So I am taking this part, total salary slash at the rate border style. Okay, I have defined border style here. Let me expand it, border style. Let me copy the same, total salary, total salary, total salary, total salary. For the second one, I am changing it to border color, border color. Okay. For the third one, I am changing it to underline style. I am placing it as underline style. Okay. Let me copy this entire set. Okay. Now we are having two border styles, two border colors, and two underline styles. Okay. Now what I will do here is I need to pass the values like border styles. We have used this. Let me open this. If you see here, I have used the tags like these will be the values, bottom border style, top border style, like that. Let me take bottom border style. Let me take bottom border style. After that, we need to take bottom border color. Okay, wait 1 second. I am taking underline style, right? Underlines will come in the bottom. So to show you clearly, I will take top border styles. Okay, let me pass the value top border style. Top border style. This is fine. Now we need to take top border color. Let me change the style to color. Next one is color. COLOR color. And the next one is underline style. Underline style will be the same. This is the same value for every time. The styles will not be vary. Why? Because in the attribute we already passed these values. Now what I will do is I will pass the left border style for the second one, left border style. Okay, and left border color. Like you can pass only these three styles also. Like I am giving you a direct example how we can pass multiple borders with multiple styles like that. So that's why I am considering this. Otherwise you can pass these 3 rows, that's fine, with the 3 values. Like how many, if you want right side and bottom also, you can define another 3 rows with 3 different styles and you can pass the values. That is not a problem at all. Okay, I have placed all the values. Let me click on hide. We have defined total salary here. Let me click on save. Okay, let me come to save, and our entire template generation is over. Now let's upload this template and we can see the output. Okay, okay, I have entered into the report. I am adding one more layout. Layout name is main, template file I have selected template, excel template type, XLS, local is English. Now let me click on upload. Once it got uploaded, now we can go to view a list. Let me select the second one as our main template. Let me click on save and let me click on view report. Once we click on view report, we are directly land into this main template without going to subtemplate. Okay, our report got downloaded. Let me open the file. Okay, our file got opened. If you see here, we are able to see the totals. Okay, 293252.31 total is correct, and we are able to see the borders. Okay, and underlines. Let me open other sheets. Here also we are able to see borders, okay, and underlines, and we are able to see the data in multiple sheets, and we are able to uh, get the borders and all other stuff. Okay, so this how we can generate the styles for like borders, underlines, like that. Okay, so this is all for the video, guys. Thank you very much.